Look at all these weirdos.
Need a rubber mallet?
Damn, I'm shaky right now. Gotta stay still.
Somebody can say something about a rubber mallet?
Yes, these. Okay, he's got it. How many you need here? I need one more. There's one for you. One.
Oh yeah, ET, do we need your signed permission to be on a video?
You got washers over there? No. Shit. Got no bread? I ain't got one enough in there.
No, okay, can't brush yourself.
No. I'll brush some today. Okay, how about these? Show the last finger in there. I'll grab my sex magnet. Yeah, I never.
Hey, you know I'm recording, right?
I don't care.
Okay.
How many more of those do you need? One.
Uh-oh, sorry, my bad.
Don't have a little washer?
You need another one too?
Yeah, I stole it.
Yeah, you stole it.
I stole it, Dusty.
Oh wait, I might have more. Do you hear me?
Yeah. I just don't want to break them.
Babe, give me some more. I got a fucking headache bad.
I'm going to call back.
The other night, never used pork rich.
That's the old time way of doing it.
I told Dusty that, he said that, Dusty, well, what do you use? I said,
Hey,
Tighten it
ET
down
told me to
and
call
tighten
you
the wool.
and ask if I can come over and get an ibuprofen 800 for Dustin.
Those were black,
I thought she was coming over here.
Okay,
and
well,
I
I'll
put
go
work
right
in
now.
on them.
Oh no, when she's about to get the baby down.
I would say chrome disperses heat better, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'll bring you a couple.
Fucking painting ass faggots.
Alrighty.
Wouldn't
You
you?
need a cigarette. Baby, I'm gonna take her this cigarette.
No.
I wouldn't call that good.
Don't
This
record
side's still a
me.
little loose.
Just
What's the matter with you?